Oh, that's nice.
That's a good girl.
Tummy.
Yeah.
I sit the baby.
Yeah, that's where baby sits.
It's a bub.
And sometimes May sits there.
He's checking out his big sister too.
Kiss.
Kisses. Good girl.
That's nice. On the tummy.
Oh.
Be very gentle, sweetie. His head's a bit sore. You want to give him hugs?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Very gentle.
Kiss.
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 Another
Yeah.
kiss.
What's that? Kisses. Good girl.
Kisses belly.
Sit. Papa.
You want baby sitting there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's Grace. Can you say hi to Grace?
I.
Hi, big girl. Is that your baby brother? Is that your brother? Who's that?
Baby.
You know. Giving him kisses. Be very gentle. Good girl.
Huh?
Don't squeeze him, May.
You might expect this. Wow.
I'm not.
How do you get so adored? Some little strong, eh?
Don't squeeze him too hard.
What's he doing, May?
What does the baby say, May? That's right. Whenever we
You want to hold him again?
whenever we hear
Yeah.
a kid
Okay,
cry
sit
in
down.
daycare,
Yeah.
baby, wah, wah, wah.
Hello.
Even though it's like a 3 or 4-year-old.
It's just crying.
Yeah,
It's
Yeah.
crying baby.
You want, okay, you want to hold him again?
No.
No? Alright. Do you want to play with your new book?
Yeah.
Okay.